Hello everyone. In the previous video, we learned about population, uh, sample, statistic, parameter, variable, and data. Right. So in this video, uh, we will we will study a case. Right. So we need to determine which term is related to which sentence. Right. So I'm gonna show my screen with you guys, and you need to use your brain uh, to relate the lines with the terms, right? So I'm going to show you. Okay, so when you study anything in statistics or any math book, right, so you need to focus on the words, so don't skip any word, especially the important words, right? You need to know which words you should focus on, right? So you have to learn step by step, guys. You just can't scan everything and skip, right? Be consistent and try to focus. Yeah, go step by step, don't hurry at all. That's the main thing, guys. Without this you can't learn anything, you will just waste your time, right? So okay, let's start. Determine what the key terms refer to in the following study. A study was conducted at a community garden to analyze the average height of sunflowers at the end of the growing season. So which season we are taking this study? In the growing season, right? So and we are trying to calculate the average height of sunflowers, average height. So this is the target, this is our target, right? So we will determine the population, statistic, parameter, sample, variable, data of this study, right? So in the first line we have all sunflowers planted in the community garden this season. Okay, so just let's take assumption, right? So don't be hurry. So are we considering all the sunflowers uh, in this garden in this season? Yeah, so uh, we're considering the growing season, right? So okay, let's go for the next slide. The height of one sunflower at the end of the growing season. Okay, so at the end of the growing season, height of one sunflower. So we have no clue where the where this data come from. Is it from population or statistic or what? Okay, so it could be from all the flowers grown in the season, right? So it could be our variable, right? Because it will vary from uh, flower to flower, right? So some flower will be tall and some will be little bit, you know what I mean, right? So we have some data here: 5.8 feet, 6.1 feet, 4.7 feet, 5.3 feet. So these are the just data of different flowers, right? Now a randomly selected group of sunflowers in the community garden. So when we randomly select some a group of flowers, so it would be our sample, right? So as we've discussed before, the average height of sunflowers in the community garden at the end of the growing season. So average height of all sunflowers in the community garden. Okay, so when we get the result for all the flowers, so this is our parameter. Okay, so when we consider all the flowers, I hope you remember what I taught you in last lesson. All sunflowers that reached maturity in the community garden. Okay, so all sunflowers that reach maturity in the community garden, so we are considering these flowers. Okay, so not this season. So this F could be our population, right? We're just considering the situation, right? So you don't have to uh, worry about these things now, but just have a look, guys. The average height of sunflowers in the sample at the end of the growing season. So the result of the sample average height. So this is our statistic, as we have discussed before, right? So these are just for assumption, guys. So what you need to do is, I will show you the solution now, and you need to uh, match your answers with my solution, right? So if you didn't think about this thing, so take some time take pen and paper and try to make your own answers, guys, and then you relate your answers with the solution. So this is how you need to clear your brain. You need to clear all the concepts. Yeah. So if you just flip everything, whatever is discussed in this video, fine, go to the next video, and you didn't focus on that video as well, and you went to the third video. So this is how you just mess up everything, right? So be focused, uh, try to do the exercise and try to use your brain. So this is how we learn. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the solution. So here's the solution, guys. Have a look. Okay, and I will give you some time. If you want, you can pause the video here and see the solution, right? So I got this from ChatGPT. So if you want, you can give some command to ChatGPT or instruction to ChatGPT to get some more examples like this kind of. So yeah, this is how you study, guys. So I didn't share the ChatGPT screen because I'm increasing the display, font size here. So 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 that you can see the letters or the texts clearly, right? So if I share the ChatGPT, maybe the text will be so small. So this is why I'm just showing in this screen in MS Word. I copied this text from um, ChatGPT and showing in here, right? So this is all for this video, guys. I just showed you an example of whatever we learned. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope uh, you will watch the next videos as well. Thank you, guys.